Phenol, method of preparation and chemical reactions of phenol.
Phenol is an aromatic organic compound with a molecular formula C6H5. It is a white crystalline solid that is volatile. This molecule consists of a phenyl group which is bonded to a hydroxy group. And this phenol is mildly acidic as it requires careful handling because it can cause chemical burns. Method of preparation. First, preparation of phenols from haloarine. Chlorobenzene is an example of haloarine. When chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure, it gives sodium phenoxide. And this ultimately on acidification gives phenol. Preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid can be obtained from benzene by reacting it with oleum. The benzene sulfonic acid reacts with molten sodium hydroxide at high temperature, which leads to the formation of sodium phenoxide first, which finally on acidification gives phenol. Preparation of phenol from diazonium salt. When an aromatic primary amine is treated with nitrous NaNO2 and HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin, diazonium salt is obtained. These salts are highly reactive in nature, and upon warming with water, these salts finally hydrolyzes to give phenol. Phenol can also be obtained from diazonium salt by treating it with dilute acid.
Preparation of phenol from cumene. Cumene is an organic compound obtained by Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with propylene. Upon oxidation of cumene in the presence of air, cumene hydroperoxide is obtained. And upon further treatment of cumene hydroperoxide with dilute acid, phenols are obtained. Acetone, okay. Upon oxidation of cumene in the presence of air, cumene hydroperoxide is cumene in the presence of air forms cumene hydroperoxide, which on further treatment of cumene hydroperoxide with dilute acid, phenols are obtained. Preparation of phenols from cumene. Cumene is an organic compound obtained by Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with propylene. Cumene, it is also known as isopropyl benzene, in the presence of air gives cumene hydroperoxide, at which upon further treatment with dilute acid gives phenol. Acetone is also produced as one of the byproducts of this reaction in large quantities. Phenol prepared by these methods need purification process. Reaction of phenols. The hydroxy group in the phenol molecule exhibits a strong activating effect on the benzene ring because it provides a ready source of electron density for the ring. This dielectric influence is so strong that you can often accomplish substitution of the phenol without the use of a catalyst.
Phenol, there are some reactions of phenol. Phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide to give sodium phenoxide first, which undergoes carboxylation to give 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. This reaction is known as Fowler-Base reaction and it is used to prepare salicylic acid. It also gives Riemann-Tiemann reaction, where it reacts with chloroform and aqueous sodium hydroxide to give an intermediate first, which reacts with sodium hydroxide and undergoes hydrogenation to give finally salicylic aldehyde. It also reacts with gem dust to give benzene, bromine water to give 2,4,6-tribromo-phenol. It also reacts with bromine in the presence of CS2 at 273 Kelvin temperature to give ortho and para bromo product of phenol. It also undergoes nitration to give ortho and para nitro product of phenol, and after reacting with concentrated nitric acid it gives 2,4,6-tribromo trinitrophenol, which is also known as picric acid.